Hello everybody, here the S23. Let's do unboxing. Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Once again, today I'm going to review and unbox Samsung Galaxy S23. And I bought this one. Has the 256 gigabyte memory RAM. The packaging contains Samsung Galaxy S23 SIM ejection pin, USB to USB-C cable, quick start guide, terms and condition papers. Alright, so the model number is SM S911U1, and then it's very slim box but very heavy, I can tell you. There is a mark here that shows Samsung Galaxy S23. The EMI numbers under the box, which I can show you because I'm gonna use this phone for myself. And let's open the box. Okay, cutting the plastic stickers, seals. Good. And the phone is right away. There's two pieces of boxes. What is inside this? Probably cable, yes. USB Type C to Type C cable. User manual, terms and condition, and a SIM tray removing tool. I have it already, I'm not gonna take this one. I don't need the cable. I have a wireless charging. I'm going to back them off. Let's put this aside. And phone is here. Unprotective stuffs. What is this? I don't know. And the phone itself, that's it, nothing more. Wow, it's what I like. And removing the screen protection. And by the way, this one is black color. Wow, it's nice. Yeah, last year I bought in my life first time the Ultra model, Samsung S22 Ultra. I just give a try. After 1 year I decided to go back to lower, smaller version of the phone because it's too big and heavy. I'm not using all the camera features all the time, so small for pocket size, for better for me. I'm thinking anymore. I will not go to further bigger phone anymore. Okay, let's start the phone. I hope it has a charge. Yeah, it is. hope you liked the video. Please subscribe to the channel and don't forget to like.